Hey guys, it's me, Cute Cross with Money here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make some Floam slime. And you will be needing some Floam, a bowl to mix in, container to hold onto your slime, activator, whatever you're using, food dye, that's optional, and some lotion. And don't forget your mixing tool and glue. So please click that notifications button to know when I'm going to post new videos. And let's get right on to the video. Okay guys, so first you're going to get some glue. I'm getting a gigantic gallon from last time. Pour in just a little bit because the Floam beads are going to make the slime way bigger than you think it will be. So you're just going to start mixing this with a stick or whatever you're going to use. And you're going to add in a couple drops of lotion. I don't think that you should use your expensive lotion because it's expensive. I'm just using some cheap lotion. You could add some lotion later on. And keep on doing that until you get your desired amount of lotion. I have added in my lotion. Now I'm going to mix. Next, add in your dye, whatever color you want. I'm going to pick light blue. I'm going to add in maybe 1 drop or 2. 1 drop. Let's see how much, like what tone of blue I want. Maybe I could add in 1 more, or maybe that's good. Yeah, 1 drop is good. This is my, oh my gosh, it didn't spill yet. This is my color of glue that I want. And now you're going to add in your activator. I am using some baking soda and contact lens solution. There, I have my baking soda in. Now I'm going to add in my contact lens solution. But first, let me mix the baking soda in. It's mixed in. Now I'm going to add in my activator, my main activator. And it should start to form. I will be back right after it is done forming. Guys, I'm just going to start going in with my hands now until it has formed the consistency that I want. Because it looks about ready to start mixing in my hands. And I will be right back when I have finished mixing it. After you have made your slime, you're going to get a separate bowl and pour your Floam beads into it, and you're just going to go in. And it just helps you get more Floam beads onto it. It's better than just pouring it when you first make it. I'm using big Floam beads. I haven't used like gigantic Floam beads before. And if your slime isn't sticking to the Floam, then just add some lotion to it like I did, so it will stick more. And it should be able to hold all of the Floam beads that you put into your little bowl, your separate bowl or container. And it will get less stretchy sometimes, or you could just keep on adding. Just keep on adding lotion. Or try and make it as sticky as possible, but not to where you can't even touch it. And it's starting to form into a good Floam slime. I think I need a little bit more lotion to this so it will stick. Oh my gosh. All the lotion like exploded. There we go. Let's do this again. Okay, now I'm going to rub it on. If you can hear a noise in the background, that's my dog. He's itching himself. Now I'm going to pour it into the Floam again. You might actually need more Floam. If it's not, just keep on adding Floam until you get your perfect amount of like crunchiness that you want and desire. And I'll be back once I have finished making my Floam. Okay guys, so I have finished making my slime. It's very stretchy and amazing. Pokeable and crunchy. Lotion. So are you guys ready to do some slime ASMR? But this time it's not going to have all of the Floam beads rising to the top because I'm not going to wait for them to rise. So let's get right on to it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys think I should do next. And click that notifications button when you can see when I get new videos coming up soon. Almost every week. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye, crafty girls. Have a crafty day. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys think I should do next. And